So in front of me I've got VANTRUE Nexus 5. In this video I'll show you how to update software of the dashcam. In order to update software of the dashcam, make sure it's connected with your smartphone and go to VANTRUE. Go to About, and here, if there's any update available, you'll get notification. Select it. Select Download. Switch to the normal internet. Now transfer to the dashcam. And the firmware is updated. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.